Welcome to your subconscious mind. Ooh, it is a new moon, which is a dark time that you have to go within your inner light. It's like any time that it's a new moon, I think of Virgo energy just because you're really digging deep. And then to have a partial solar eclipse start off the eclipse season and that tie all in, it's like your subconscious crosses your 3D world. And the veil gets very, very thin. And you're going to be communicating to your higher self quite proficiently. I don't know where that word came from. We're going to shed our skin just like a snake sheds its skin. They're rebirthed. They've got a whole new skin. This is you stepping into the new you. And it is Empress status. You are about to elevate your world on a whole new level. And I hear, whisper is it, that blessings are coming in for you. If you are new, welcome to 1111 Tarot. We are so delighted for you to be here. And if you are returning, welcome home, my beautiful 1111 family. Let's get started. There is a little timestamp right here that you can choose, pinned down below. Archangels, ascended masters, ancestors for our highest good, I ask you to guide me to see clearly through the tarot, through the 5D spiritual realm. Archangel Michael, protect me as I walk through the tarot. No spiritual or physical weapon may manifest or prosper against me. Archangel Raphael, please continue to heal my body, mind, soul, spirit. Continue to heal all those that receive this message and accept your wonderful blessings. Archangel Gabriel, thank you so much for this beautiful message that I am gifted to be able to receive and deliver. Allow me to speak the truth and only the truth. I thank you for all of these things above. In the name of Jesus, amen. Crystal ball. Something's about to get crystal clear. All right, so you started off with a 2. At some point during prayer, you've rolled to a 3. So there's forward progress. We're going from a decision to a discovery. As I look at Tagalus, okay, this is a full hurdle. That's the best way you can think of it. It's a huge hurdle. With this eclipse coming in, I feel like there could be some Taurus in your chart. If you have that as your north node or your south node, it's going to be a big, big deal. Because a new moon, I believe, is somewhere around 10 degrees Taurus. And I'm telling you right now, this eclipse is going to flip some stuff around for you. Now, if you just simply are catching this message, same goes for you. There's something we're going to be made very aware of. The new moon is about blessings too. It is about receiving and celebrating and enjoying what it is that we need. Now together we get this nesting effect. What's interesting is you have Ingus. Now, Ingus is fertility. You can see this as 2 mated pair. It's almost as if it's a reflection as above, so below, because it's 2 X's meeting in the middle, which is treasure and treasure. So there's a flip and something comes together in a blessed way. You can also see Hagalus as hidden blessings too. Like there's something that looks terrible, but it's really got a kiss of a blessing from the angels behind it. Now let's move over. You've got the Cancer symbol for the planet rolled on the die. And Cancer can be this time of really having to surf is recommended. The emotion in the ocean here as we go through this astrological transition, because it's about to really get wobbly. You do also have an 8 on the 20-sided, which is this divinely guided path. And as you can see, it's not a straight line, is it? There's some downs and there's some ups and downs and ups. The most beautiful, beautiful thing on the board is it on the planetary die. You, my lovely, got the sun. Oh, yes. The sun will come out tomorrow. Buckle up, Buttercup, as Mercury goes retrograde. I thank you so humbly much. Please give a little love, a lot of love on the puppy. I love you. To the moon and back. All right, my lovelies, here we are. Welcome to your new moon, April 30th, 2022, plus partial solar eclipse reading. This is your bonus read. It's just something I do extra for everybody. And that'll be the overall general read. Now, when I break it down into the signs, so this is the air sign, this is the earth sign, fire side, and water side, that part will actually be for the members, which will follow this in the extended. All right, my beautiful, let's get started. I want to start off with the Moonology deck because it has a lot to do with the moon. So let's see what's going on for my beautiful 11s and all that just joined. Whoop, there it is. The answers you need are coming. Full moon in Gemini. So it is a full moon, but it isn't a full moon. Wait a minute. Hold the phone. I got to check. All right, I looked it up. It's Wednesday, December 7th is the next time we're going to have a full moon in Gemini. But we do have a full moon coming up in Scorpio in May. All right, my lovelies, it was one of those need-to-know moments I had to know. And it was something I felt important for you to know as well. Let's understand a little bit more about what the ancestors are talking about when they're saying the answers you are needing are coming. The answers you need are coming. Here we go. This is really a masculine, not male or female, but feminine, masculine energies. This is masculine energy very strongly here. Oh, all right, we've got a couple. Let's see what's going on. So ancestors are saying that the answers you need are coming, and you get the Ace of Swords, which is a 10-to-1. It's basically very much a brand new beginning. So is this fertility card. It's like clarity to be able to move in a certain direction. Like, yes. And with answers coming, I'm just saying, here we go. Knight of Wands. Very passionate. Very quick action. Very quick action. Interesting. We're going to dig deeper. We'll dig a lot deeper. Let me come over here and understand what energies are you contributing to this situation. So what are you manifesting? What is it that my 11s and those that watch this message are manifesting? You've got a story. Ooh, I just knocked the board around and everything. Let's see what you got. So what you're manifesting, oh my God, you got the Empress reading. You got it. You're beautiful. I love you. You are an Empress. Oh my golly, I can't believe these cards. I knew this was going to be beautiful, but I didn't know it was going to be like this. Like, wish come true, beautiful. You are. The divine sees you as like truly working your best, true to heart, authentic, lovely. And you're about to take a brand new start. See all that purple royalty color? It's you picking up on your gifts and knowing that you are of royalty in the spiritual realm. And how do we know that? Confirmation. You are the Empress. And this isn't male or female. You can be the Empress. You could see this as the Emperor, but the Empress is this very empathetic. This is somebody that picks up on every feeling and emotion. Like there's no imagination. It's absolutely feeling what the other person feels and knowing how to distinguish at that level and how to say, well, that's not my energy, and be creative as the Empress. And you are a creator, a divine Empress on the board. Major Arcana, absolutely beautiful. I love your cards so far. But, all right, here comes the eclipse part, right? This is in the sun. It's partial. It is occurring on, let's see, 4:30. I believe that would be a root foundational of 4. So we'd have 4 for the month, 30 for the days. So 4 plus 3 is 7. Plus we have 6 for the year, 2022, 13, 4. So it's foundational. Here we go. Hagalas. The garden and the gate. Now that's a clue to what I would call, if this was the tarot, the tower moment, right? I have got cards spilling back here. Like getting messy over here. So there is something coming up that's going to be messy. The garden and the gate. And the first thing I thought of is the gate being left open accidentally. So be very cautious. The garden and the gate. You're protecting your Garden of Eden. All right? You're protecting the Garden of Eden. What is going to be shocking about this garden and the gate? Oh, I can't wait to dig deeper into that. Ooh, Starlights, I tell you, this is going to be interesting. All right, my loves, let's continue. What is really the overall challenge for this eclipse time frame for all those that have joined me? Let's understand this challenge, and please show us this tower moment, or I guess Hagalas moment, and let's understand. Oof. And we're not going to get to know, because the universe is saying the void. The void is the unknown. And it's not a time to question. It's a time to surf it. It's don't ask what you don't want to know. Allow it to come in natural. Bend at the knees. Remain in balance. Pretend you're on a ship. I actually did this with therapy with some friends of mine. We went on a boat ride. It was a very good boat ride out into the lake, Superior. Or was it Michigan? I think it was Michigan. And we got way out there, and the waves were coming in pretty steady. So the boat was really a moving. And what we basically did is we got to where we would spot the other person, and the other person would close their eyes, and they had to hold their hands out straight like an airplane and use their knees to ride the wave, because it's finding that inner balance, and you do it through meditation. And this was a lot of enjoyment. And it's given a lot of inner balance in our life doing that. And this is that moment. This is that moment. All right, my beautifuls, let's understand what is going on. With Great Spirit in the middle, this is basically destiny speaking to you right here. What is coming on to your path? Let's see. Well, duh. I haven't ever said that in a reading. But good Lord, we have a partial solar eclipse and a new moon. Dark in the day, dark at night, and it's showing me transformation. And it says the answers you are... Okay, I've got to reread this. The answers you need are coming. Full moon in Gemini. Could be through an air sign or communication. It's seeing something from two sides with that Gemini energy. It's being able to really understand what it is that, well, I can't. I'm being told not to say that. All right. We'll just continue. Existence and isolation. Get ready to spend some time really thinking about feeling frozen for a minute. We have the void and we have frozen in existence, and making sure this is what you want. Deep, deep, deep read. But you know what? I'm here for the truth, not to ice cakes, right? This ain't no bakery. We don't sugarcoat nothing. Here's your donut. It's plain as it can get. It's just so sweet bread. It's cornbread. All right, here we go, lovely. We're going to find out your North Node right here, which is, oof, if you have it in Taurus or Scorpio, you're going to feel it hard and heavy. But, you know, it is important that you realize this is a transformation. It's not going to last forever, but it is going to change your life in a major, major way. All right, let's see what your story is, my lovelies. Then we're going to head to blessings. Your starlights will go into the air, earth, fire, water, and break it down a little further for you guys. In the extended portal, I kid you not, that's what we call an eclipse. And this is the door is opening to the whole eclipse season. So this portal is opening. It says doors are opening. You decide. Rewards, wild card, and it's going right there on this void. It is the universe pausing and saying, put your order in, because it's about to stick. You're about to throw spaghetti at the wall to see if it sticks. No. I need you to really think about this. What do you want in your life to stay? Because it's going to. This is like a locking in portal. You are making choices here that affect your life. The energy you embrace is very important, because it's like you get to lock into a frequency, okay? Now remember, fear is a frequency, a very low frequency. So you cannot be high vibing if you have fear. So wash that down the drain. Just going to wash that fear right out of my hair. All right, the new earth. It's happening. Keep holding the vision. Here we go, my lovely. Here we go. Hang on tight and buckle up, Buttercup. We're about to go through some turbulence on this flight. Forge, don't follow. Cut your own path. That's the best advice so far. Pave a new path. Be the leader you wish you had. Loosen your grip. Coping mechanism, density, addiction. Let God in. It's time. Let him into your heart. Wow. I feel like there's one more right here. It's a challenging time frame. And Lord knows we need some blessings. You got two. All right, let's see what we've got. Earth, school, life lessons, soul growth, study, higher learning. We're about to take a whole new level of schooling. I can see for miles and miles. Right. Woo! I got your blessing. Oh, you have the Empress and now Goddess. Express your divine feminine energy, embracing its magical intuition and nurturing qualities. Look at you. I'm telling y'all, like, you're going to Empress school. You're going to learn how to sit like a lady. I don't think so. You're going to learn as an Empress how to self-love yourself, because you've done so much work. And you're going to share with others that beautiful light. Oh my golly. It just gets more beautiful. Ascended masters, powerful, loving, and wise spiritual teachers are watching over and guiding you. Ascended masters. Yes, indeed. You have Goddess, Ascended Masters. Could it get any better? Let's see. We're going to put this right on the challenge. Oh, my God. You guys are just killing me. I love you so much. I do. You are I think it's profoundly clairvoyant. Is that not incredibly beautiful and amazing? Here it says, trust what you see in your mind's eye as well. as with your physical sight. For your spiritual vision helps you with healing, teaching, and guidance, my lovely. I'm telling you, if you found my channel, and I've said this for many, many eons, what I consider to be eons since the beginning of my channel, you're a light worker, because that's what my frequency attracts. Visualize success. See yourself doing well in this situation and have faith in a positive outcome. I got this yesterday, and look at the green around the angel. I guess that's a message double tapped, right? Says, forge, don't follow. So cut your own path out there in nature. Don't get lost. Email somebody your GPS that you trust. Okay, a new earth. Here you go, my beautifuls. This is what it's all about. Making our world a safer, better place, right? For all the future generations. Base chakra. Choose only positive thoughts to describe your home, career, and finances. And your words determine your outcome. I have a beautiful home. Repeat after me. I have a beautiful home. I have satisfaction in love. I have hope in life. I have love all around me. My home is my haven. It's my nest. I'm surrounded by love and comfort. And I feel safe in my home. That's what you need to do. So there's going to be some places where you're not going to really be able to navigate that well without some more guidance. It has to do with your base chakra. We're going to dig a little bit deeper in that. And I would suggest really doing some cleansing on that base chakra. Okay? So transmute that energy, my beautifuls. Transmute the energy. Thank you so much for joining me on this beautiful bonus read for all of you. And Starlights, I'm excited to break it down by the signs, and I will meet you there. All right, lovelies, give it a lot of love on the puppy, and I will see you again soon. God bless you. I love you. To the moon and back. Namaste.